good, huh? What are you doing, baby girl? Debbie? No, that's mine. Yes, it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is how we start a war. Tempe, do you want your shirt? Here, take that. There you go. What do you got? What do you have? You have happiness. Yay! What? Oh, oh, nice spit up. At least you got it on your shirt that time. What are you doing with that? You're gonna eat it? You're gonna eat it? Ew, it's got hair on it. Give me that. There we go. You can eat it now. Well, now you're not sitting up anymore. We gotta make you sit up. Come on. You don't need to lay back like a little baby anymore. You can sit up, huh? Alright, come on. Up we go. Awesome possum, baby girl. Awesome possum. You're sitting up again. Yay! Yeah. Falling back. You're falling back. Give me your hand. Come on, give me your hand, Chunkster. There we go. Still trying to grab my stuff. You can't have those strings. Those are Mommy's important strings. They keep her pants on. Falling to the side. Ooh, and we're down. We fell. Yeah, we did. What are you doing down there? You keep falling, doing stuff. Oh, you're gonna get the camera. You can't have it. No camera for the baby. What are you doing? You look silly. You look silly, Missy. Yeah, what are you doing? You want some help? Here. Now you can be on your tummy. Isn't that exciting? Hey there. Hey there, Missy. Oh, are you trying to do a crawl thing? Yeah.